At Sheds Unlimited, we're all about offering solutions that fit real-world needs. From the roof down to the foundation, we offer options and upgrades to make your building work for you. A lot of our customers use their sheds and garages to store vehicles, equipment, even heavy machinery. So we understand the importance of a structure that can handle the weight. And in some cases, a building just has to be built on site. We get that. But we also know those extra fees can add up fast. That's why we introduced our open floor concrete option. Instead of a traditional wooden floor, we install your building directly on a poured concrete slab, custom fit to the exact size of your structure. We'll pour the pad ourselves. Once it cures, we deliver and install your shed or garage right on top. Simple, solid, built to last. Whether you're storing heavy-duty gear or just want the peace of mind that comes with a concrete base, this option delivers both strength and durability. Rugged needs? We've got you covered. If you're interested in our open floor concrete option, our sales team will walk you through everything you need to know. It's a smart solution for situations where a building needs to be built on site, or for anyone who doesn't want to compromise durability for peace of mind. Solid, secure, and tailored to your needs. Let's make it happen.